Today I will discuss that IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. First we have to learn the format of that nomenclature. Prefix plus word root plus suffix. That is the main format of nomenclature. Prefix plus word root plus suffix. Prefix stands for branching. That is the group attached to the main carbon chain. And word root, it indicates that number of carbon in main chain. Number of carbon in main chain. And that suffix, that functional group present in that compound. Next you have to learn that what will be the word root depending on that number of carbon. If 1 carbon, then meth 2 carbon, eth 3 carbon, prop 4 carbon, but 5 carbon, pent 6 carbon, hex 7 carbon, hept 8 carbon, oct 9 carbon, non 10 carbon, det. That is word root. You have to learn priority order of functional group. Because see, functional group having lower priority that become prefix, functional group having higher priority that become suffix. So that's why we have to learn the priority order of different functional group. So first carboxylic acid, then ester, then aldehyde, then ketone, alcohol, amine, alkene, alkyne, then halo, that means halogen, nitro, alkoxy, alkane. That is the priority order of different functional group. That means see, if in a compound carboxylic acid is present, aldehyde group is also present, then that carboxylic acid has higher priority compared to aldehyde. So carboxylic acid that become that suffix and aldehyde that become prefix. That means aldehyde act as a branching and carboxylic acid act as a main functional group. You have to learn what will be the prefix and suffix for a particular functional group. COOH, that carboxylic acid group. So carboxylic acid group when act as a prefix, then carboxy, oic acid. Ester group when prefix carb alkoxy, and when suffix OAT, OAT, OAT. aldehyde group when prefix formyl or oxo, when suffix al, ketone group, keto or oxo prefix, and when suffix one, one, hydroxyl group, when prefix hydroxy, and when suffix ol, all. So for that different functional group, when it act as a branching, what will be the name, and when it act as a main functional group, that will be the name. Next we will discuss that IUPAC name of few organic compound. See, first one, and that one is symmetric. That's why you can numbering from either left hand side or right hand side, because it is symmetric. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this case there is no branching, and the double bond, it always act as a that primary, that suffix, and that main functional group here is OH, it will act as a secondary suffix, because multiple bond cannot act as a prefix. So here multiple bond, it will act as a primary suffix, and main functional group, that is OH, act as a secondary suffix. So that nomenclature will start with word root. So how many carbon in main chain? Now 4. So but, then you have to write primary suffix, that is that alkene in second carbon. So but 2 N. Now in this case 2 OH is there, so that's why it will be in, 2 in, then in 1 OH is there, 4 also OH is there, 1 4 di all, as that D is there, that's why here ENE. If there is only one OH, then there will be no E, because in IUPAC nomenclature you cannot put 2 vial consequently. So but 2 in 1 4 diol. Now second one, main functional group is aldehyde CHO. So we will start numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4 5. So in this case branching is there, so we will start that nomenclature with branching. 2 chloro, next word root, total 6 carbon, so hex, 2 chloro hex. Now triple bond in 5th carbon, 5 yn, and CHO in first carbon, 1 al. So 2 chloro hex, 5 yn, 1 al. As A is there, that E will be missing, YNE, that E is missing, because A is there. Third one, 1 2 3. So in this case 2 branching, Cl as well as OH. Now chloro C and hydroxy H, if more than one branching, then we have to follow the alphabetic order. So first C, so first we have to write that chloro, then hydroxy. So 2 chloro, 3 hydroxy, 3 carbon in main chain, propan 1 propan 1L or directly propanal 2-chloro-3-hydroxy-propanal. Next, last one. Now alkoxy parity more than that alkyl. So numbering start from right hand side because that methoxy parity is more than methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in alphabetic order, methoxy METHOXY and methyl METHY. So alphabetically methoxy will get priority. So 2-methoxy, methyl in 4th carbon, 4-methyl, 2-methoxy, 4-methyl, main chain how many carbon? 5. Pent and C double bond is the main functional group in 3rd carbon, pent 3-one. 2-methoxy, 4-methyl, pent 3-one. Between letter and digit there will be hyphen. Between 2 digit there will be comma. So these are the few examples of that organic nomenclature.